everybody, it's Sid here. I've been running for 83, 84 days now, and I'm having a lovely time. But I think I could probably do better if I got more high fives. So I'm going to start approaching other runners for high fives when I'm out on the run streak, and see how many people do and are wicked, and see how many people don't and are proper arseholes. Stick with it. I feel we're going to get some people in here, right?
Yeah.
I haven't seen any other runners yet. About a mile and a half in, 4 o'clock on a Monday afternoon. I think people will be starting the week out with me to go on, but they're probably still at work. So I'm going to go down to the park where I think there'll be more runners, and also they'll be secluded, so they might not feel self-conscious about giving a random a 5. No runners? Anybody? Oh, there's a guy on a bike. Oh joy. Alright runners, I'm coming for you. Get your fingers ready. Got a one-handed congratulatory message for you. I just did a full lap of Saltwell Park and not one runner's out. It's like no running day. Oh. Wait a minute, I think I've seen it. Oh, he's just running for his dog. There's a guy over there. He's just chasing his dog. Having a poo, I think. He's got to pick it up and put it in a little bag. It's gross. I don't want to high-five him. Look, deserted. So I'm going to head back Durham Road. Hopefully some people have finished work early, thought get me run done before tea. And then we'll see how we get on with them. Ah, he just came around the corner so fast I didn't have a chance. Bollocks! If you'd only been 5 minutes earlier. Next time. It didn't look like he was up for a high five anyway, so I'm not too bothered. And the squirrel just ran across, and that made me feel pretty good too. So back to Durham Road. I'll get run over. Cyclist again. And we'll catch them up here. That guy looks like knick-knack off James Bond. So I need to speed up so as not to get caught. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't disappointed. And I can't help but think more people would be out running if they knew they were going to get a high five from me. I'm going to keep looking though. Just because I didn't get any today doesn't mean I'm not going to get 10 tomorrow. There's no one. There's literally no one. I just ran up Chowdhury Bank and there's still no one around. And now I think I'm too tired to give people a high five. But if I see someone, I'll try my best. I guess today wasn't meant to be. Miles, one runner, snooker runners around the corner, so no 5s. But it could have been worse. I could have seen 10 people. A bit of all tools that by my head. So, swings the roundabout. Morning. It's 9:10, Tuesday, second day of high five hunting, and I've spotted a runner. Yeah, Unfortunately, it's my wife, so it doesn't count. It's a good confidence booster. I've got a good feeling we're going to get some people today. Right?
Yeah.
Let's go! High five! High five! Ah! You are a loser in life. There's another chance for a high five. High five! High five! Yeah! I got 5 on it! You are a winner in life, my friend! Woo! Let's go! Morning. High five! Yeah! I got 5 on it! High five! Yes! I might volunteer this week because I've got a big bike ride on Saturday afternoon. 11.5 mile in and we've had 3 high fives. Great success! The last one made me stop a little bit, so I didn't get as much of a buzz off that one, but we're nearly finished, so it doesn't matter. How are you feeling?
Looking forward to the end.
The end's inside. The end is not!